Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. Here we are on another beautiful morning here in Florida. A little bit chilly out here this morning since the hurricane went by. But at any rate, on the agenda today we have a cleaning and paver sealing for a pool deck. We've been real busy with the sealing recently, and I apologize. It's been a while since we put a video out, but I'm gonna try to get better on keeping those more consistent for you guys. But at any rate, that's where we are. We got the rigs all cleaned up, ready to go, all set up. So again, it's going to be a nice day today. So we'll see you at the job site. Alright guys, so here we are at the job site. I'll take you back here and show you this pool deck. Alright, so here's the pool deck.
What else you got today?
You got tons of weeds and dirt in here. Look at that. So we have to dig all those out first, and then we'll be able to get this all cleaned and sealed.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like.
Alright, so we got it all cleaned up. I'm going to do a final walkthrough, but got everything out of the joints, all the dirt and mold, that's all gone for now. Alright, so we'll let it dry just a little bit before we leave for today, but we'll leave it and let it dry up overnight. We'll come back, sand it, and seal it tomorrow.